Hare Krishna, this is your spiritual friend Sanatana Dharma Das. Today we are going to be dealing with quite a serious subject matter. Many people have approached me and expressed their heartfelt inability to control this vice of internet pornography. Many of them. We all know it, that internet pornography is bad. What kind of effects can the internet pornography have on any individual? We know this really well, but it's very hard to give it up. There are many videos which talk about how internet pornography is bad, but there are very few of them which teach and educate us as to how to rise above this vice and bad habit. So my dear friends, this series of videos are going to be focusing not just on how to get rid of this bad habit, but also to root out this problem completely. For this, we need to understand what exactly is the problem, because many a times we get bogged up treating the symptoms and not the disease. So what exactly is the disease? The disease is something that is expressed in the Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna in the 3rd chapter tells Arjuna that this disease is called lust. So my dear friends, this series of talks are going to be telling all of us how we can overcome this problem of lust. Hare Krishna, thank you all very much.